I feel it has to come down. Very good morning, my dear friends. So we have huge gap up in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty today, right? So in both indices we have close to, in Nifty it's almost 150 points. If I check Bank Nifty, it's almost 1 minute. Okay, so where was the close? 21,802 and the open is around, and it's going beyond yesterday's range, right? So 400 points. And definitely, so those who sold and still holding their positions in this day, I can see a Bank Nifty was more weaker than Nifty. Look at here, open and day before yesterday was like close was here. So Nifty, Bank Nifty closed from almost in the negative on Friday, right? So now let's see, by looking at the open, so we do not have any open low formation in both the indices, right? So it can come down both the indices till the levels of this. Bank Nifty will come till the levels of 20 to 75, and because today everybody will be looking to buy by looking at the gap up open, right? But usually the weak longs will be thrown out here, and I don't see Nifty coming drastically down, right? Max can come till the levels of, let me open candlestick chart. So this is daily time frame candlestick chart. So 100 points down move from here, it's not possible. Maybe a retracement till 640 levels, right? So what I can do, I can just sell based on the simple logic, right? And when everybody is greedy, you be fear. When everybody is fear, you be greedy, right? Today I think so everybody is greedy, so better to sell Nifty futures at 10,690, and I can keep stop loss just above the high, right? So it's around 10,715, and stop I can keep, stop loss is 10,715, and target I can keep at 10,645. Let's see what's happening in Bank Nifty. So it's rotating there only. So I told, I think somebody has attended my webinar. I told when something is opening beyond yesterday's range, and that with a huge gap up, now I cannot expect it to run away in the same magnitude, right? So it has to cool down till the levels of at least 20 to 75. What I can do, I can just sell here. Let me go and check candlesticks. What is there any hint? Better, it's better to put a trade here at 2260. Keep stop loss 22,315, around 50-60 point stop, and I can expect Bank Nifty to come till down 22,075. Okay, yes. Let me once again cross verify high in Bank Nifty. What's high exactly? So it's showing open high, but I don't know whether it's showing open high. Okay, it's 700. No issues. My stop is around 10,715, right? Maybe we will see more weakness in the Bank Nifty only. Once the low, today's low, that is 22,160 is taken out, we will see some sudden moves to the downside. Right? Let's see. From here on, some 100 odd points is possible in Bank Nifty to downside. Right? Okay, even Nifty is also just retracing downside, but let's wait. So before any further move to upside decisively, it has to cool off. Just to throw out the weak longs, those who are entering today morning, that's very important. Right? So still it's trading inside this. So this is very important. Once this was taken out, I'm talking about this boundary 22,300. So today on chart it looks like a open test drive, but I don't feel it's an open test drive as of now. It looks open test drive, but it's not. So it has all the rooms to come down till at least 22,100, if not 22,60. But I don't see any Nifty coming till 10,600. I can be wrong, but what I will do, I will into the trade and I will just cover it at today's below today's low. So I'm just carrying risk of 55 points in Bank Nifty. That's good one. Let's see how the day is going to pan out. Let me go and check who is leading in Bank Nifty today. Is there any reference level in Bank Nifty at 20 to 160? Nothing, right? Yeah. Let me go and check in the day time frame also. So I don't see anything here at 20 to 160. Maybe so this is 3rd July high. What is 3rd July high? Okay, fine. But as I told, it's not open tester as of now. I don't agree with that. If the gap was around only some 50 odd points in Nifty, then some 200 points in Bank Nifty, then I could have taken the trade in morning trade on alongside itself. But just because by seeing a huge gap up and the by the logic, greed and fear factor, just based on that I'm taking trade, but that too with the good risk reward. And I said, hope how many of you remembered, like if you can go and see my previous videos, I told this is going to be some supply zone and it's almost there at the upper boundary. It's on the verge of do or die. Alright, so I don't want Nifty to go and trade inside this gap. And exit 50% here. Rest hold with stop loss at 20 to 260. Right. So what I can do, let me go and check in Nifty. Nifty, what I will do, I will just exit this trade at break even. Add entry. So you can see only weakness in Bank Nifty as of now, not in Nifty. So hence I am riding only with a Bank Nifty trade. So I just scratched this particular trade, so exited this trade, and this I am riding with. Okay, fine. Let me go and see what's happening. Okay, fine. So Nifty is having support of Reliance also. That's why you cannot see downward movement, even though Bank Nifty is falling.